Hello, my name's Ian. Today I'm going to go over field stripping the AK-47. This variant is a AMD65. To start the process, you remove the magazine. You're going to place the gun on fire. You're going to fire it. Then you're going to push in. Remove that. You're going to push in the recoil spring. That'll come out, and then you're going to pull the bolt to the rear, and then you are going to lift up on the bolt, and it will come out. Next I'm going to do the gas tube, and that involves pushing this up, and lifting up. The gas tube comes out. To take apart the bolt, you're going to push the bolt face to the rear. You're going to rotate it out, and you're just going to pull straight. At this point, your AK should be fully field stripped for cleaning. That's about as far as you will break it down usually. So now we'll move on to reassembly. To start reassembly, I like to start with the gas tube. So you take it, you make sure this is angled downwards, you tilt it in and down, and you just push, and you return this lever there. Now we're going to do the bolt. So take the bolt, insert it, rotate it, pull it forward. Next you're going to take your receiver, you're going to take your bolt, you're going to put gas piston in first, take this, put it back to the rear, push it forward. You're going to take your recoil spring, you're going to put it in the ass end of the bolt, you're going to push it in, then you're going to get it into these rails back here until it stays in place. And then you're going to take your dust cover, you're going to put it in the slot right above where the bolt sits, you're going to apply pressure forward, and you're going to slide it to the back. Mine's a little bit tight. Mine's a little more challenging, but alright. Cool. That's how you reassemble your AK-47.